Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm super glad to have you here. In this video I am going to show you one of the best tried and tested shakes or smoothies for increasing milk supply. Now the reason you are seeing the Arabic text here is because this video was originally made and published in my Arabic channel, where I talk about everything to do with wellness and healing for my Arabic audience. And if you do understand Arabic, then you're welcome to join the channel. I'll just simply place a link to the channel in the description box below. So this smoothie I've tried so many times, and I've given it to my friends and family, breastfeeding moms who have tried it. They say that it really helps with increasing your milk supply, not just the quantity but the quality as well. So what I want you to focus on is the ingredients in this smoothie. Every single ingredient that has been placed is natural, and it is also designed to increase the fat content in the breast milk to ensure that it is easier for the baby to get fuller, as well as get all the essential nutrients that the baby requires. So what do we have here? First of all, let's start. Let's start with the ingredients. I've used different components in the ingredients to make it a full rich meal. So first of all, I have used avocados as a fat component. I've also used oat milk, and I have used 1 banana as well as a cup of berries. And for the greens side of things, I've used spinach because it's a mild tasting green that doesn't cause any stomach upset or any digestion or bloating issues like kale. You can use whatever greens you like. If you have spirulina, if you have moringa powder, go ahead and put 1 teaspoon into your shake. We've talked about the beautiful effects of moringa, scientifically proven in increasing both the quality and the quantity of breast milk. Now for the additional things that I have included, something really important called lecithin. Here I have soy lecithin. Usually I use the sunflower lecithin, it's much more healthy, but here I had soy. Now why do we use lecithin? Well, basically lecithin helps to reduce breast pain and also helps to prevent blocked milk duct because it binds the fat with the liquid, and it also helps with brain health. Choline has beautiful benefits for the brain health, and it's important for both mom and the baby as well to get that. So use sunflower lecithin. I know there is powder form, and there is also the granulate form, of which I am using here at the moment. So for the sweetness, you can use honey, you can use sugar, but here I'm using dates. Absolutely amazing when it comes to the oxytocin and the minerals and vitamin content as well. So one thing that I also wanted to point out is that this shake is also perfect for children, for toddlers over the age of 2 years. If you intend to give it to toddlers, really important for brain health. Rather than using 3 tablespoons of lecithin that I have used here in this shake, you can go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of lecithin. Really important for brain health, really important for general immune boosting effects, and make sure to use the sunflower one, especially when it comes to giving the best for your child. So this shake can be used once every day, once daily in the morning on an empty stomach to make sure that your body absorbs it 30 minutes before a breastfeeding feed, in order to make sure that you get all these essential amino acids, essential nutrients that you need to help in the next feed. So I will insert the recipe in the description box below this video, the exact recipe and the quantities, and also the brands that I've used. If you intend to use the exact brands, then you are welcome to. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you're interested in more videos such as this. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.